I've got 70,000 cards I need to get ready.
Oh, geez.
70,000. So all this stuff I want to just blow out for what I can get.
Right. What's up, guys? This is Kyle from Wax Museum, and I'm back in Central Florida, and I had choices today. I could either go to the Clearwater show or I could go to the Lake Nona show here at the Drive Shack. So you see which one I chose. Nothing against the Clearwater show, I like this one better. It's got dealers I don't see a whole lot. There's more tables here, so here I am. I'm gonna give you guys the sights and sounds as usual. Hope to find some PC stuff and hope to just find some fun stuff to look at in general. So I hope you enjoy.
Where's my Isaiah? I just had it. Turned it up. I just saw it. Where's my Isaiah? Oh, there it is. In front of me. No. No. It's like 50.
Separated. It's Kobe Dracula. It's a fun one. Oops. Paper lost. Are you, where are you at? I don't want to go over you here.
I was just in here.
Okay.
You're good.
Do you mind if I look at the basketball?
No.
Can I see it? Yeah, sure. Go ahead, you can grab it. It's a cool set.
PSA 2. Oops.
A lot of them probably doing prices on them because they fluctuate so much.
Yeah.
And sometimes even if they do, I'm like, well, let me see what it's going for now. It might be going for a lot less. It might be going, you know what I'm saying?
Right. Did you send this in? The 2? You got the 2 on it?
No, I didn't send it in.
I'm just saying, that's brutal.
I'll just buy collection.
Right. I think it's funny.
Do you have any questions, right? Sure.
I got this in for something.
Alright, there you go. Should be exact change there. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Come back.
I will. Actually, I didn't even look at your box here, so I might look at your box.
we got all these Mercari cards that, I mean, these are dollars. And
Okay.
I'm sure there's some hitters in there. These are cheaper autos and even some graded cards. I'll work with you on
All right.
Kirby and
What are you asking on your the Marbury titanium?
I got that on eBay.
You're that one on
Just
there
have
too?
me on the red card has whatever I got on there. I thought we priced. I got 208 on it.
208. Okay.
And I'll work with you. It's hard to get a tag.
It is, yeah.
It's really hard.
Especially with that acetate.
I've got penny, but I'm not selling them.
Right. All right. Well,
Tell me.
Well, I'm gonna hold off for now. I might swing back around though. So,
Sure.
thank you.
Cool.
No. Yeah, I like this show a lot. I like that they've expanded a little bit too.
They got a flea market out here.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. I was curious how that would end up. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Oh. I'm gonna guess, yeah, I was gonna say reprint. Oh, okay.
Anything you find here, I'd give you a great deal on.
All right.
I'm trying to, I've got 70,000 cards I need to get ready.
Oh, geez.
70,000, so all this stuff I want to just blow out for what I can get.
Right.
There's a lot of people who don't want to go.
Yeah.
It costs too much to stick them in a holder.
Right.
How are you?
Well, we made
Oh no, she's doing something else. I don't know. She's helping Alicia do something. Yeah, she came by, dropped it off, ran away. Thank you, dude.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Anytime. This was on my list. I wasn't even at over 100 miles. Thank you.
I see that story now.
I think I'm
Right.
okay, wow. I mean, he gave up a lot of big jailbirds too.
Well, he had some nice cards. That's some very
He
nice
kept the
cards.
Peacock and some other major ones. Like here's a
All right, on to the pickup. So overall, this was a pretty good show. I feel like I made the right choice today. And they also expanded to a third floor, which solved some of the problems that you had before where it was hard to move around. It's still hard to move around, still very crowded, but at least things were spread out a little bit more. I spent $191 total today, and I'm pretty happy with what I got here. So I'm going to go ahead and run through some of that. First thing here, this probably already got your attention. So this is like a big oversized lenticular card here. Michael Jordan shooting over Craig Elo. And I asked how much this was. The guy said $5. I didn't even look it up. I said, yeah, absolutely. I'll do that for $5. It's a pretty fair price. I think it's worth a little bit more than that, but probably something I'll take to a show. It gets people's attention. So happy with that one. And then I've got this stack here. So I saw this Big Baby 2013 Prism Blue for $2. Like I've said before, I'm loosely attempting this set. I'm not going to say, I'm not going hardcore after every single card from it. I definitely won't get the Giannis, but whenever I see these for cheap, I grab them. And I'm just going to see how many I can find. And eventually, yeah, I'll probably buy the Curry, probably buy the LeBron if I can find them at a decent price. All right, this stack here I got for $9 total. So ignore, there's some stickers on some of these that are kind of high. It was like, some of them were BOGO. There was, I don't know, it was a weird system, but it was $9 total. So it's some silver Pacers, a Miles Turner Prism Deca silver, which I was very excited to find, even though I think I already have one. But I'm trying to grab those silvers whenever I see them. So I went through the other teams too. I found an RJ Barrett, found a Reggie Jackson, I found an Emmanuel Quickly. And then I wasn't sure. I think I have this Matherin. I'm not sure. I think I need the Jarris. Either way, I don't mind having another one of those. And then that same box had this Kawhi Leonard Candy Corn Parallel. I'm not really interested in those at all, but they are pretty rare. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I've got a buddy that's been picking these up, so he kind of inspired me to grab that one, especially at that price. It was a pretty good deal. Okay, next up, this is a card that I got for 20 bucks. It is actually not the first Cesar Romero card you've seen on this channel. And there was one in my ComC batch. I don't know. This would have been several years ago. He's in one of those old movie star sets. The reason I grabbed it is I'm a big Cesar Romero fan from his days as the Joker in the 1966 Batman movie, and then also the TV series. His stuff that has the actual Joker picture on it is very pricey. I still think for 20 bucks I got a really good deal on this. Couldn't find any comps. I'll probably keep it, although if I found something Joker signed for a good price, I'd keep that one and move this one. I'm pretty happy with that, though. And then these two cards I got for 30 bucks as a really good deal. Someone I've dealt with before, very nice gentleman. He's got a lot of really nice Matt Stafford stuff. I've shown that on the channel before. So he gave me a great deal on those. Got the Barkley Scoring Kings, and then this Antonio Brown Prism, Select Green from 2013. That's numbered to 15. And then finally, this was a really strange scenario here. So when I originally saw this, it had this Chuck Daly. It had a $400 sticker on it. And I was kind of looking at it, and I had no clue what a Chuck Daly autograph was worth. I just knew, hey, I'd still like to add one eventually. I didn't think it was $400, so the guy said, hey, what are you interested in? We can talk prices. So I said, well, I like that Chuck Daly. I have no idea what it sells for. He said, well, ignore the sticker. Let's look it up. I found this card, the exact same card on his eBay. He had 200 on it on his eBay. So I said, all right, well, that automatically cuts it in half from there. And then we looked at comps. I think an SGC 9 had sold for 110 or somewhere in that range. He said 150. I said, yeah, I don't, to me, it's not worth that premium. He said, well, how about 125? And I agreed with that. I thought that was a good price for what it is. I think raw it sells for about 70 bucks, somewhere in that range. So he later added the 125 sticker on top of it after I'd already bought it, which was, I don't know, I've never had anyone do that. It doesn't change anything. I just thought that was kind of strange. So it never had that sticker on it when it was in the case, but that is what I bought it for. So if I find a raw copy of that for cheaper, I probably will pick that up and move this one, because I think I got a really good deal on it. But either way, I'm very happy with that. Very happy with my pickups from today. Like I said, I spent $191 total, and a lot of time on I-4, which is bound to happen if you're going to Central Florida shows, but very happy. A lot of PC stuff today, even though there are some pieces I'll move. So overall, a very, very good show. If you have a chance to go to that show at Lake Nona, it's at the Drive Shack, I encourage you to do so. Eventually, it's going to turn into, I think, every other month. So who knows what will happen to it then. But for right now, it's a great show, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing the sights and sounds. Remember, there are new episodes of the audio podcast that come out every Thursday. And as always, thanks for watching.